Hello everybody, welcome to my creative time with Emma, and also welcome to a quick tutorial using our newest treat bag die from our latest Halloween release. So I'm going to just quickly show you what I use for paper. I use my brand new Halloween 2024. This is a 6 by 8.5 inch paper pad, and I use this pretty little polka dots there, which I didn't get to use during the release, so I'm super excited. And then from my, this is from a couple of years back, my Wicked Night paper pad, I use, let's see, I use this one right here, okay? And then I also use some glitter paper I had on hand. Okay, so basically this comes with a total of, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces. This is your base. This is the piece you're going to be cutting out 2 times, okay? And then these here are all of your layers for the top, the sides, and the bottom, okay? So this one you probably want to cut out twice. You could put one on the front and one on the back. And then here goes there's 2 little layering back dies here, okay? So I kind of did most of it for you. This way, I didn't want this video to be so long, just so you could hurry up and put yours together. So what I also did was I also used these are the traditional Halloween enamel glitter dots, and I used the purple ones. Absolutely love these. They're so pretty in real life. So I went ahead and I added 3 there, 3 there, and 3 there, because I know I'm going to put the little bat right in the center. So there it goes right there. So what I did was I went ahead and I add my layers on here. I just did it on the front piece. Now, I forgot to cut out a layer for the back, okay? So basically, I'm going to show you, if you go ahead and do this is just another version I had created with this during release week. This is what it looks like when you put the layering on the back as well, okay? But I didn't do it here because I forgot to cut that out. But I figured we could go ahead and show you how to put it together, okay? So what I did was again, you have to cut that main piece out twice. I just used some little tape here. So we're just going to go ahead and just kind of put this together here. So here goes, I always just put the bottom portion on first, just to line that up really good. Let's see, that looks lined up pretty well. Okay, there goes the first portion there. It's super easy to put together if you want to mass produce these, you know. I love this die. And it doesn't, just because there's a bat in front, doesn't mean it has to only be for Halloween. The reason why there's a bat, because I came out with it for my Halloween release. But you could basically put anything. You could decorate this for any holiday, any occasion. That's what I love about this die. Okay, so then now we're just going to go ahead and just connect this here to the side, just like so. And then usually I use liquid glue. I figure it'd be quicker just for the video to use this so we don't have to wait for it to dry. Okay, because the liquid glue, this stuff does not move at all. All right, so here we go. Just like so, super easy to put together. Now, if you have, I kind of want to just mention this. Let's put this on here really quick. Here goes our little bat, and that's super cute. Let's go ahead and just put this on in the front, and I just popped it up with some pop dots here, and I also put a little pop dot in between, as you could see. So let's go ahead and just add this here, and I'm glad because this actually covers up the little glue mark I made there by accident. Okay, so, oops. Let me center this better. Okay, so there you have it right here. Now, if you're going to use something heavy like this, like I used one of my, the bat rosette dies on here. I have one of the little sentiment plate labels there. I have my bat, and I have this. It will get a little heavy. Well, see, now of course, it's standing up perfectly now. But if it gets too heavy on the front, what I did was I layered the back layer on some chipboard, okay? So this way, when you do have it standing up, it won't fall forward. You have that little weight behind it, and I came up with that like at the last minute when I was making this. I was like, wait a minute, let me make it heavier on the back. So this way you don't have to worry about it falling forward. Does that make sense? So same like this one here. So it's heavy in the front. You could put in that. Now, obviously, when you could put stuff in it, it won't fall. But, you know, when your recipient, after they take it out, and if they want to display it, you don't want it to keep falling down on them. So put some, layer your pattern paper on top of the chipboard, just like I did here, and then it will stay up for them, just so they could go ahead and just, you know what I'm saying, like decorate it, like display it, I should say. So now obviously this would look much cuter if I had, let me see if I have another paper. Let me cut it out really quick here for you, just so you can get the full effect. I went ahead and I just cut the back portion off, and I'm just putting some liquid glue on here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just put this back here like so. And the liquid glue is perfect for when you put on the little layer. So this way, if you need to kind of like move it to center it, you can. If you put tape on it, or like your tape runner, you won't be able to move it because it will get stuck. And if you try, and you don't want to rip it, you know. So let me go ahead and just put this down. So since the front part isn't heavy, I did not add chipboard as a layer, okay? I figure, you know what, it'll stay up on its own. And I absolutely love this box. I hope you all enjoy it. Now, I have questions. did have some questions regarding the fancy slider card die that I had in this release. That video is not on YouTube because my my design team member, Miss Melissa Carroll, made that video for me. So that video, it does exist, I promise, but it's in the store. So if you click on that link, the fancy slider card die, click on that link and you'll see the video there. And that has the full instructions by Miss Melissa Carroll, okay? So that is it, my friends. I hope this all helped you. If you have any questions whatsoever, always email me at info@my-creative-time.com. Have a fabulous day, everybody, and thanks so much for tuning in. Bye-bye.